Mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome. I hope you guys still remember me. I know it's been a while since my last video. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I recently lost my grandma. It's not because of COVID, but because of old age. She was 104. I don't know, after that I just wasn't in the mood to do videos, or every time I get in the mood I remember her, because before when I used to visit her, she would always say that she watched my video and that she loves my bags. And yeah, I also wanted to take a break, you know, to be with my family and just kind of heal. So thank you guys so much for being patient with me. Today's video is gonna be a birthday vlog, by the way, because today is my birthday, guys. January 15th. My fiance got me a gift for my birthday, so I thought I'd do an unboxing for you guys. As you can see, it's different kind of setup because it's just gonna be a casual unboxing. So let's start off with this one. This is actually a perfume from Malone. I love how they package, you know, their lotions, their cream. And this is what I got. So pretty, guys. Oh, by the way, look at my nails, guys. It's so pretty. It's like a marble design. So the scent that I got is Wild Bluebell. I love like floral scent, so this one smells really good. If you guys are from the Philippines, I don't know what sampaguita is in English, but this one smells like sampaguita. It smells really good, guys. Oh, good thing I didn't even put a cologne yet, but wow, it smells really good. If you guys are looking for a floral light scent, the Wild Bluebell cologne is so good. All right, now let's move on to Chanel stuff. As you can see, there's no camellia, guys, because my fiance got this right after the holiday, so they said that they ran out of, you know, camellia. This is what that looks like. I thought this was so pretty. I actually could wear this right now because I feel like it's gonna go well since I'm wearing all black. So that's what that looks like. I hope you guys can see. Let me just take it out so you guys can see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like, guys. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. I love it. I'm so obsessed with this. If you guys are wondering what the product number is, it's this one. It's this one right here. So the next one that I got is this Chanel hand cream. I've been looking for this, guys, for the longest time, but it always seems like they are sold out. So I'm so happy that I was able to get my hands on this one. And it smells so good, guys. If you watch my, you know, other videos, you know that I have the black version of this one, but this one, guys, smells really good, better than the black one. So I highly recommend this. And it comes with the pamphlet. So this is what it looks like. It's like a little egg. It's so cute. And you just squish it, and then the product comes out. It smells really good, guys, and it makes your skin really soft. And you know, we're getting old, so we always have to take care of our hands and then our neck, because eventually they're all gonna sag down like our boobies. I'm just kidding, guys. But yeah, this is the last thing that I'm gonna unbox in front of you guys. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna keep this. Maybe you guys can help me out. That's also the reason why I didn't do a, you know, a proper unboxing of this, because I'm still not 100% sure if, you know, I should keep this or if I should just get the regular style. Alrighty, guys, so here it is. As you can see, it is not a classic flap or a classic bag, because it doesn't have the you know, Coco Chanel dust bag. So here is the bag, guys. What do you guys think? This one is in calf skin. I love this type of beige. It kind of has like that pink undertone to it. If you guys are wondering, by the way, this is the product number. The only thing that I'm scared of is the crochet. This is definitely a bag that is not for every day, because if you use it every day, this will definitely get dirty. And you know, I'm just so afraid of, you know, accidentally snagging the thread. What do you guys think? It's really pretty though. But I decided to buy a Chanel 19 for, you know, to use every day. But I don't know why I ended up with this one. This is not gonna be for every day, but it's so pretty, guys. This is what it looks on the side. I'm not gonna take off the paper or the wrapping on the handle because, you know, like I said, I'm still not 100% sure if I want to keep it. But I just want to show you guys what this looks like. So that's what it looks like. By the way, the price for this one is $5,600. It's a little bit more compared to their regular, you know, small 19. I believe today they raised their price. They had a price increase again. So the small Chanel 19 is now 5,100 or 5,200, I believe. I feel like, you know, girls shouldn't have a lot of options because, you know, we get so indecisive. Maybe just me, but I really get indecisive when there's like a lot of options. But you know, the leather is pretty durable with this one because it's calf skin. But I'm hoping, if I were to exchange this one, I'm hoping to get the goat skin. I know the 21 collection, I believe it's lamb skin, so I hope they come out with, you know, the goat skin leather. But yeah, guys, that's what it looks like. Let me know, guys, if I should keep it. You know, tell me what you guys think about it. Alrighty, guys, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I'm gonna go head out to pick up my mom because we're still gonna visit my grandma and my grandpa at the cemetery. But before, you know, I leave, I want to show you guys what I'm wearing because I wasn't able to show you guys the full, you know, outfit. But here it is, guys. Oops, sorry, our Dyson is there. But it's a maxi dress and it has that elastic, you know, thingy majiggy in here. But yeah, and I'm just wearing my Cartier ring and bracelet, and this one is the Van Cleef that I got from my fiance on Valentine's Day. But yeah, guys, I'll see you in a little bit. We are visiting Grandpa and my grandma. Say hello to my vlog.
Hello.
Visiting Lola. Say hello. We miss you, guys. We are now back at home. My mom is making lasagna. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
375.
Do you have to open it?
Oh, I wipe it down.
Ooh.
Ay, nagdikit. Teka muna, alisin ko.
By the way, guys, I just got these glasses. What do you guys think? Is it a yes or is it a no? So my daughter actually wrote me a card. Maybe you can read it for mommy. Birthday card.
Okay. Sorry. To my lovely mommy and best friend, happy birthday, mommy. I love you more than anything in this world. Thank you for all. Sorry.
She actually read this to me already last night at midnight, and she was and I was telling her, why are you crying? Why are you She said, because mommy, I'm getting emotional. You know. I I told her, am I not supposed to be the one crying? You're the one crying. Mommy, because I love you so much. That's why I love you so much, mommy. Okay, next.
Okay, so thank you for always being there for me no matter what. When I needed help on my homework, you were there. When I wanted to let my emotions out, you were also there. You've brought so much joy into my life. I love when we make jokes and laugh at them forever. I cherish every moment we're together. Even when we're just chilling on the couch.
Here we go again.
I can never ever ask for a better mommy. Thank you for everything. I appreciate everything you do for me. You're one of a kind. Even when I'm an adult, we're still gonna be together forever and ever.
Forever, ever? And ever?
Go shawty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like this.
So guys, I bought this lint remover on Amazon for only 12 bucks. And I showed it to my mom. Look how addicted she is. Look at this. You know how you can see those like lint? And then voila. Amazing. It's now gone.
Oh Lord, amen.
Thank you so much for the food.
Thank you for the food. Thank you for family. Thank you for the blessing. Thank you for the blessing.
Health.
For family. Thank you for family. For another. And for the blessings and the grace. For another day of life.
This is our humble food for today.
Very good.
Yummy. We have lasagna, caldereta,
Dito na lang ang rice.
and then pizza. We have Ferrero Rocher, if you want.
Thank you.
How about you, mother?
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
After the song.
Happy birthday to you. Yay! I wish.
You go now, Cherry. Go there. You have to be there.
Yay! Let's cut the cake. Oh.
Talagang marami nakikita ng tao. Ayaw na nakikita mo. May nagagalit eh.
This is me and my Lola's favorite. Alrighty guys, so I think I'm gonna end my vlog already. It's already 10:48. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Look at my cousins. Say bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, ang pangit ng boses. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!